doesn't matter where you look, all you see, all these recipes are hot honey chicken. So guess what we're making today? Hot honey chicken. Let's get started. In this bowl here, I've got 3 large chicken breasts. Now, I had mine in the freezer, and I probably should have laid them out a little bit sooner, but I didn't. But they're going to be okay. They're going to be okay. It's got several hours till dinner time, so they should have plenty of time to thaw out. So what we're going to do is take these breasts, and we're just going to cut them in chunks. You can cut them as thick or as little as you like them, but that's going to be about perfect for us. You're going to need about 2 cups, 2.5 cups of corn flakes. This is going to be your coating. I'm just going to pour them right in there. What I think feels good, and then I'm just going to crush them. Corn flakes are really easy to crush. They're not like Oreo cookies like I'm making that little cake. So I'm putting them in a bowl. I'm using a cake pan, pie pan. You're going to add some salt. Pepper. Teaspoon of onion powder. Now this is a 1/2 teaspoon measuring spoon, so we're going to use 2. A teaspoon of onion powder. A teaspoon of smoked paprika. 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. I'm just going to give all that a mix. And we're going to beat 2 eggs in a separate little container. We are going to get our dredging station ready. So first, you're going to go right into your egg. Shake off the excess. And then right into your cornflake mixture. I'm going to put a couple of these in here to kind of speed the process up just a little bit. I'm going to use a spoon, and I'm going to put these right on top. And then we're going to put them right on top of our air fryer sheet. I'm going to continue to get these coated. You can go ahead and preheat your oven, your air fryer. Now, if you have an oven air fryer like I have, look, I already went to my hands. Then preheat it to 400, and then if you have the tabletop one, you know, the one that's just portable, then go ahead and preheat that one to 400 degrees as well. All nice and coated and ready to go into my air fryer. I'm going to air fry these in my oven air fryer until they are nice and golden brown and they reach a temperature of 165 degrees internally. For the hot honey sauce, I am doubling the recipe, so you're going to need 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. If you're just making single this recipe for the sauce, hot honey sauce, then just cut your ingredients in half. So instead of the 4, you would need the 2 tablespoons. We're also going to need a 1/2 cup of honey. Slightly shy of a cup, 1/2 cup, but you know what? We'll put another little squirt in there. Now the recipe calls for 3 to 4 tablespoons of hot sauce of your choice. We're going to put this on the stove and let it start coming to a warmness. We're going to do it low and slow since it's got honey in it. And once the chicken comes out of the air fryer, then we're just going to drizzle that right on top. And this is what they look like, should look like when they're done. Just take your hot honey sauce and you just drizzle it right on top. You can drizzle it, you can spoon it, you do whatever you want to do. We're going to add a little parsley for color. Okay, good.
I'm allergic to parsley.
then add extra parsley. If your husband's allergic to it, make sure you add extra.
The one I'm sick all the time.
Add extra parsley.
Not extra, stop.
Those look amazing. So the husband came home, we ate immediately, and I forgot to do the ending, the taste test. It was amazing. One little hint, make sure you like quadruple the hot sauce. It really makes it. You know I love you guys very much. I appreciate you, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye. Take care.